Hello and welcome to Hawaii Pacific's Property Management's video blog. My name is Duke and I'm the broker and owner. We send these out every couple of weeks just to kind of educate other realtors, property managers, tenants, and owners. So today my subject is going to be property condition forms. And a property condition form is kind of important. So if you're a property manager out there and you're not doing property condition forms, wow, I don't know how you do a move out. So a property condition form is filled out in the beginning of a relationship when we're going to be moving in a tenant, and it protects the owner and the tenants against further damage or accidental damage. So we also fill out the property condition form at the end. And in between that, we give the tenants an opportunity to look at the property condition form and verify it. So both parties agree that the property is in good condition and some things are not perfect or some things are perfect, and you're checking those off. 90% of the time, tenants do not take the time to complete the property condition form, and in doing so, you render your responsibility onto the property manager. So that is so important in the beginning of a relationship that you document how your property looks when you get it, okay? If you have any questions about property condition forms, please give us a call. You can also look us up on the internet at HiPacificPM.com. We'll see you soon on the next blog. Aloha.